Imagine making $1,000 in just 1 week, using nothing but your creativity and a free design tool. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage Canva to turn your design skills into real cash, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you want to create social media content, digital products, or even custom designs, I'll guide you step by step on how to start making money with Canva today. Let's dive in. The first way you can start making money with Canva is by creating and selling custom templates on popular digital marketplaces. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and Gumroad are booming with people looking for pre-made Canva templates. You can create templates for social media posts, resumes, business cards, planners, or invitations. Canva's drag and drop features make it easy to create professional-looking templates. You can sell these templates for $10 to $50 each, and with a few sales every day, you can easily make $1,000 in a week. Selling just 20 templates at $50 each puts you right at that $1,000 mark. The more niche or specific your templates are, the better chance you have of standing out in the marketplace. Instead of generic social media templates, think about targeting a specific industry like real estate agents or fitness coaches. To get started, set up an account on one of these platforms, create your templates using Canva, and upload them for sale. Use trending keywords in your titles and descriptions to improve your search visibility. Think about what people are actually searching for when they're looking for a template like yours. The better your keywords, the more likely people are to find your products. Next up, you can offer graphic design services using Canva on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Many businesses and individuals are looking for affordable graphic design services for their social media, websites, or marketing materials. Canva makes it easy to offer services like designing Instagram posts, Pinterest pins, YouTube thumbnails, and more. You can even create entire branding packages using Canva, including logos, color palettes, and font pairings. By pricing your services competitively, you can land multiple clients and build up your profile reviews. Charging between $20 and $100 per project means you can make $1,000 in a week with just a few clients. Sign up on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, list your design services, and create a portfolio using Canva to showcase your skills. Your portfolio is your chance to wow potential clients with what you can do. Make sure to include your best work and highlight your design skills. Don't be afraid to promote your services on social media or to your personal network. The more people you tell about your services, the more likely you are to find clients. Another great way to earn with Canva is by creating and selling digital products like printables, planners, calendars, and more. These are incredibly popular right now, and they're a great way to generate passive income. Printables are super popular on platforms like Etsy. People are always looking for printable wall art, planners, worksheets, and more. And the best part is, once you create the design, you can sell it over and over again. With Canva, you can easily design printable planners, checklists, calendars, or even wall art. Once created, you can sell these products as instant digital downloads, meaning you do the work once and earn passively. You don't have to worry about printing, shipping, or inventory. The customer downloads the file directly after purchase. The beauty of this method is that once you upload your designs, you can earn money over and over again as people purchase your digital products. A single well-designed printable can bring in consistent sales, making it possible to hit that $1,000 mark in just a few days if you promote it well. Think about it. If you're selling a printable for $10 and you make 10 sales per day, that's $100 per day, or $700 per week. Create your printables on Canva, then list them for sale on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Be sure to include high-quality images and keyword-rich descriptions to attract buyers. Think about what your ideal customer is searching for and use those keywords in your product titles and descriptions. Did you know you can design merch like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases using Canva and sell them through print-on-demand services? This is a fantastic way to tap into the world of e-commerce without having to deal with inventory or shipping. Print-on-demand services like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring allow you to upload your designs, and they'll handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. All you need to do is create unique designs in Canva and upload them to these platforms. You can create designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, and so much more. Whenever someone buys your product, you earn a profit without worrying about inventory. The print-on-demand company handles everything so you can focus on creating awesome designs. If you focus on trending designs or niche-specific products, you can earn $1,000 in a week by selling just a handful of popular designs. Think about what's popular right now, or tap into a specific niche like dog lovers or gamers. Use Canva to design your merch, then upload them to print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Redbubble. Promote your store on social media to increase sales. Share your designs with your followers, run ads, and collaborate with influencers to get the word out. Last but not least, you can create a recurring income stream by offering a Canva template subscription service. With platforms like Patreon, you can offer subscribers access to exclusive Canva templates that you update regularly. This could include social media templates, presentation slides, or branding kits. Subscribers pay a monthly fee to access your templates, and you earn consistent income. This is a great way to generate recurring revenue and build a community around your designs. With just 50 subscribers paying $20 a month, you'll be making $1,000 per month without needing to constantly look for new customers. It's all about providing consistent value and keeping your subscribers engaged. Offer exclusive templates, design resources, and support to keep your subscribers happy and coming back for more. Create exclusive templates on Canva and offer them through a platform like Patreon. Promote your subscription through social media or your website. Let your followers know about your subscription service and the value it provides. You can even offer a free trial to entice people to sign up. And that's how you can make $1,000 in a week with Canva. Whether you're selling templates, printables, or offering services, Canva makes it easy to turn your creativity into cash. Remember, the key is to choose a method that aligns with your skills and interests. Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more ways to make money online.